Hey guys, Paul Inventor 3 here. Ooh, it's been a few months since I've been in my laboratory here. And big fat stinky possum moved in here. Well, I think he's underneath my laboratory now, but he's been in here. Everything. Here's my 1,500 LEDs. Smushed, stepped on. I gotta check them all, resolder them all. Oh my god. Everything's knocked over. Everything. My primary coil. Oh my god. This is my bag of LEDs. What the heck they chew into the bag of LEDs for? This was plastic. Yeah, anyhow guys. So I got a little work here. Oh, it feels so good to be out here for a change. Feeling better, doing better. I'm on the road to recovery, guys. So, I think just a little over after July 4th, I'm going back to work. I should be a new man by then. I'm going to play out here and try to clean up a little bit of this mess today. I'm still a little weak. I'm finished though with the chemo, radiation. Woohoo! A few more weeks, I get a scan done, and hopefully, knock on wood, man. Hopefully they tell me cancer free. Excuse me. Hopefully they tell me I'm cancer free. I can't go through that again. But anyhow, guys, on a good note, feeling good, getting back to it here, man. It's very exciting. I even got some new bulbs I'm going to try out today, if I can get this connected today. So anyhow, just a quick update. I'm alive. I'm still here. Free energy, massive over unity, guys, coming soon. We're just looking on a way to really amplify it here soon. I got to buy some ferrite cores, make a little voltage transformer. We'll see how that goes, man. Pretty soon we'll be able to get unlimited amounts of energy from anything that we can extract a couple volts from.